So Shruti, why is that you're always against of these budget smartphones?
I'm not against of these budget smartphones, but the only problem is that a smartphone, a budgeted smartphone, the terminology itself seems very weird. And when a smartphone becomes budgeted, the only thing that misses out in that is the looks. So a smartphone, which is a budgeted smartphone with good looks, seems to be a weird combination. I don't think so. It exists actually.
So you think that budget smartphones never comes with good looks?
I don't think so. I hardly seen any one of them.
And what if I show you, these two good-looking phones from, Intex and Zoro then?
Well, that seems to be a good deal here. A smartphone from Intex.
This is from Intex, Aqua i5 HD.
A budget phone also, and look seems to be impressive here. So let's just check out.
Yep.
Intex has already launched several Android smartphones in the Aqua series, and yet again it offers Aqua i5 HD smartphone. It promises to come with a feature-rich package at a very decent price. Now see the front of the phone. It's dominated by a 5-inch OGS display with 3 capacitive touch buttons at the bottom. Also, the markings of these navigation buttons are not visible when the phone's backlight is off. The screen carries a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, and the OGS panel makes it thinnest amongst its competitors. Though there is no IPS panel here, but still the display appears to be brighter. Videos and pictures come out good and the colors appear natural. And you can definitely enjoy watching videos on this one as the viewing angles are just perfect. The back of the phone features a removable cover that sports a rubberized pattern which gives a perfect grip to hold, and sports a 13-megapixel shooter with LED flash which clicks pictures with a voice command by just saying cheese or capture.
Cheese.
However, the pictures taken in low light conditions did not come out well, and pictures taken indoors with less light were also a little grainy, but still the color reproduction was pretty accurate.
Selfies and lots of selfies. A 5-megapixel front camera, a 13-megapixel back camera from a budgeted phone. What else could you expect? And guess what? It can do a 720p resolution HD recording from both the cameras. And I think that's the superstar point here, which is going to lead this phone in terms of budget smartphone category, with a 13-megapixel back camera and a 5-megapixel shooter in the front. Isn't that amazing?
Under the hood, the Intex Aqua i5 HD has a 1.3 GHz quad-core MediaTek processor with Mali 400 GPU. For multitasking, it offers 1 GB of RAM that can deliver acceptable performance. It has been launched with Android 4.2 Jelly Bean OS and will soon get Android 4.4 KitKat update. The smartphone packs a standard 4 GB of onboard memory that can be extended further to 32 GB.
Okay, so this phone comes with a battery of 2000 mAh, and it was a heavy to medium usage by me of the phone, and I didn't need to charge the phone for the second time in the day. One charge was sufficient enough. I clicked lots of pictures, lots of selfies, and still the battery survived. And it claims to be having a power saving mode, which is a battery saving mode. So maybe that could be the reason that it lasted so long. And for the price of rupees 9,900 with good looks, a budgeted smartphone, I think it's a deal.